when did diabetes become like a thing for you? How long has this been going on?
Well, I was diagnosed in 2000, but I knew probably a few years before that my doctor would say, come on into the office, we think your blood sugars are a little high, and I'd never go in for that second test because I knew that what it would mean. So I ignored it for a few years, but then I finally couldn't ignore it. I'm not sure what the symptoms were, but I think it was more like the test, the blood sugar test. So, yeah. So
it's been going on for a bit.
It has.
And then they slowly kept on adding more medications.
They did. I had some education when I was first diagnosed. I had a little bit of metformin, and then it just continued to go up. And every time the doctor would suggest, let's try a little more of this and let's try a little more of that, I'd say, no, not this time. I'd hold them off a little. And then eventually I'd say, okay, because it wasn't improving. But I did try, and I would always go up and down with my A1C, so it would be good, and then it would kind of not be good. So I wasn't sure what I was even supposed to be doing.
Right.
I had some education in the beginning, but then as life happens and as you get older and everything, you don't have that.
Right. So then what made you decide to come to this retreat?
My doctor, back in 2018, she had said, well, let's try a little nighttime insulin. And then more recently, just this past year, I was put on insulin because I could see my A1C was just getting really high. And nothing I did was able to help it. But that was because I wasn't eating properly, wasn't exercising enough, and didn't know what I was doing. Yeah.
And then since you've gotten here, like what changes have happened?
So when I first came here, fasting blood sugars were above 200 consistently. I couldn't get away from it no matter what I did. And since I've been here, 106 this morning, and that's the best it's been. I've taken no insulin. I was at 20 units, and that's with I'm going to bed earlier, getting up, fantastic, not feeling tired, exercising, and really learning what is key to this health journey and what it's going to take to hopefully extend my life and have a happy life, healthy life, and health span. Right.
Okay, and what's your experience been with the coaches here?
Oh, they're great. Yeah. I didn't want to leave without being a part of the university. Yeah. I am very happy to have Michelle as my coach and to be guided and have the community with other people. So, it's great.
It's powerful. What about the food? How's the food been?
Delicious and doable. Yeah. Fantastic. Healthy and delicious. And it's changed my perspective on having greens in the morning and even eating fruit, because I was a little concerned about that. But I think when you add in movement and exercise and relaxation and just the whole group of things to put together really make a difference. Yeah.
You're doing it, like you're really doing it. Like
yes.
You are seeing, and I'm so passionate about these retreat experiences because you can see like this quick thing of like, all these things are literally making you more insulin sensitive. Like you're seeing it.
I am.
And then now we just have to like do it for a long period of time because it's only been like literally 2.5 days.
Right.
Like we say day 3, but like day 1 was just one meal.
Right.
So it's like 2.5 days. Now, what would you say is something maybe you learned here that you didn't even like think you were going to learn? Like what was surprising? Like, I didn't think I was going to learn that, but I learned this, I learned that.
That I could get up at 5:45 in the morning. And actually, I'm excited to go home and continue that because I was staying up later and getting up later. And I never thought that I would be excited about going to get up early.
And it's the results that are making you excited.
Of course.
Yeah, like it's worth it.
I think that the changes that are made while I'm here are going to set the tone for the rest of my life. So I'm very, very encouraged and excited about it all. Yeah, the numbers, I did not think that I would see that. And I was a little nervous when you said, okay, no insulin tonight. I'm thinking, oh, this is going to be an interesting night. And my alarm's going to go off and I'm going to have all kinds of problems, but it was fine. I lived through it and it was fine. Yeah. And it was beautiful. That first night was just, the next morning I was expecting to see 200s like I'd always had. And of course, no insulin. It would have been sky high. But yeah, everything together has been fantastic. Yeah. Yeah.
And what would you say to somebody who's like thinking about coming, or on the edge, I'm not sure, I don't know?
I'd say if you can come, you should come. Definitely. Yeah. I got an email and I thought, oh, they're in my area. This is exactly what I was hoping for. And to come here and to be here, this is what people who are, if you're even thinking about it, you should just go, because this is what's going to make a difference in your life. You're going to be around people who are doing all different levels of their insulin, non-insulin, and you'll be encouraged and helped. And there's so many great coaches. They are all different, and you'll get something from everybody. And everyone cares, and they're all trying to help you. And I'm just blown away. Really. Yeah, it's great.
Anything you want to say that I want to share this, I want to make sure people know about this, like anything you want to share. Mike is yours.
I'm thankful that you're doing this, and you're all so committed to helping people. And it's very humbling to know that there are people out here who are doing this. Really excited for the rest of my life.
I love
it. So it's great.
Thank you for saying that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I love it. Okay. Very good. Cam, good stuff here. I'm just so excited. Like, again, we're all in the university each other. Like,
I give you a hug.
Yeah.
Because your story is my story.
Yeah, yours is mine too. Yeah.
That was beautiful.
Oh, sweetie.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Aww.
Thank you too, Bob.
Thank you.
Yes, group hug.
I agree.
Yes.
I agree.
We're doing this together. Is it time for the cookie demo?
He's doing a good job.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Right,
Yeah.
aren't you glad
We're doing this
here?
together. Michelle, we're committed to
I'm
long-term
very
success.
Yeah.
This is just like 2.5 days. Look at these results.
I know. She made me cry.
I know.
You guys are precious. Thank you.
Oh, thank you, Michelle. We're thankful for you.
If you want results like this, the day before you came here, you took 20 Atlantis on Wednesday.
Yes.
Wednesday night. Thursday night at the retreat, you decided not to take the 20 Atlantis.
Correct.
And what's your fasting this morning?
138.
138.
And it was 180 with the Atlantis the day before I came.
So you're becoming more insulin sensitive.
Yes. It's amazing.
This is fantastic.
It is fantastic. Just one evening.
I'd love to invite you to join us at our next in-person retreat. What you just heard isn't rare. It's what happens when you get away for 5 days and go all in with people who've actually built the Mastering Diabetes method, face to face. It's full immersion, 2 workouts a day, 2 lectures a day, every meal made for you, low fat, plant-based, and built to lower your blood sugar in real time. You'll have a one-to-one in-person coach checking your glucose and your progress multiple times a day, so you're never guessing whether it's working. You'll feel it working, just like you just heard. And here's what really makes it different. You're surrounded by people who are walking the exact same path. Type 2, pre-diabetes, type 1, and type 1.5. People who understand what it's like to stare at your blood sugar and feel like your body is working against you. By day 2, you're not just improving your labs, you're building a community that gets it. One that's still going to be there texting you and checking in long after you fly home. And the results speak for themselves. 100% of attendees see a real drop in blood glucose during the retreat. Insulin users cut their usage by an average of 35% in the following weeks. Spots are extremely limited, so if you're ready to get results like the ones you just heard, comment the word retreat below and we'll send you all the details on our next one. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1C low.